We're a third-generation family-owned business operating nearly 50 years in the Ottawa Valley, and we manage the process right from harvesting the trees to the sawmilling, the planing, the distribution, and then right back again to ensuring the regeneration of the forests. It's our job to make sure we grow more wood every year than what we harvest from the land. I think people are often surprised when they first arrive, whether it's a tour or an interview. Sawmills today are not what people typically envision. They arrive and they find that they're cleaner, they're much more automated, much more wide-ranging opportunities than what there was in the past. Even during these very challenging times we're currently experiencing, the opportunities within the forest industry are still there for new entrants, for people coming to the industry with past experience in different trades. We're always looking to diversify our workforce. You could arrive here with an electrical engineering background with significant experience. You could arrive here fresh out of high school. Our goal is to make sure that there's opportunities for growth, both career-wise and personally here within our company. The best thing about my work is just the people we're around every day. It makes it so much fun. Every day is different. Every tree we process is unique. Everyone has a sense of pride as well as being declared an essential industry and knowing that our products are helping support the battle against the pandemic. Our products are going into medical gowns, masks, wood for construction still needed to maintain our country's infrastructure. Even during COVID-19, there's still significant opportunities in the forest industry. The lakes, the rivers, the forests in Renfrew County make it a rural paradise. To be able to live here yet still have the proximity to Pembroke and Ottawa, it's a unique spot in the country where you can enjoy rural living in this setting while at the same time not have to go far for the bigger city amenities.